Hey everybody, here we have a Master Lock Pro Series 6840. It's a 5-pin lock. There's, I think, some spool pins in here. I haven't had it opened up yet, so I don't know how many. I'm pretty sure there is at least 2. I just got this today, so try to get her open and see what's going on inside there. And use this Sparrow short hook. There it is, picked open. Let's see what we can find inside there. Trusty Allen key. That was a little quicker than I thought it was going to take a little bit more, but apparently not. Damn master locks. Holy shit, there's no retaining clip on the back of that. I don't know what the hell that's all about. There's 1 spool, 2 spool, 3. There's 1 more than I thought. 4. And it's got to be the standard. Ooh, with some serrations on it. Let's see what the key pins, probably all regular. I never seen one with standard, and standard. From the left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4 spools and a standard, and all the key pins are standard. Oh, that's it. It's the Master Pro Series 6840 brass lock, picked open with Sparrow's hook, Sparrow's lock pick. Until next time, peace out, y'all. Remember, do not break the law in any way. Well, you can do whatever you want, just don't pick locks legally. Peace out.